Sorry for the lagging. Again, my computer seems to be messing up. It's just not bringing in data the right way. So I apologize if there is lagging during this video, but we're going to be talking about Jasmy Coin. So I hope that there's not, right? Because I like talking about Jasmy Coin. Jasmy Coin over there, up to 50x leverage Jasmy Coin. You can do 5x leverage or 10x leverage, but feel free to check that out. And I feel like it is at a good level. Honestly, it was at a good level 24 hours ago, but it's still at a good level where it is right now. So yeah, let's go into the coin market cap data for Jasmy Coin. It currently sits at 1.8 cents. It is below that 2 cent level, but we are seeing an increase over the last day, up to 1.8, 1.829, and we would expect to see more of a bull flag scenario. Boom, consolidation, and then absolutely lift off once we see altcoin season that happens. Whenever that does take place, we need to see that Bitcoin dominance obviously decrease, and we start seeing adoption by major institutions and firms and all of that stuff. But when it comes to the Jasmy Coin lockup, I think this is something that a lot of people anticipated the most, just to see a decrease in coins, right? I like hyper deflationary projects. I like project ups in April, right? Q1, April. That's Q1 for them. It's Q2 for us. So for Q1, April, it should have happened. Now, again, we still have today, tomorrow, and the next day to where this could actually happen, and people are getting kind of their panties in a bunch because it hasn't happened, right? Even if it doesn't happen in April, all I ask for, and I'm pretty sure every